What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeWillardFitness.com, and we got Carla. And in this video, we're gonna show you guys a keto lasagna recipe. Alright, so let's get into the video. Now, these are the amazing ingredients that we're going to be using today to make this lasagna. Carla, you wanna talk about these?
Yeah, so instead of like your normal lasagna noodles, we're going to be using zucchini to make the noodles.
Ooh, big old zucchini.
Yeah, this came from my sister's garden. Normally zucchini are not this big, so you're probably going to need more than one.
It's huge. It's a colossal zucchini.
Yeah, and then you need your meat, so you can do ground beef or ground turkey, and then your seasonings like your oils, your pepper, your salt, your Italian seasoning, and garlic, salt. You're also going to need an onion. And then we got lots of cheese going on. We got Parmesan, ricotta, and mozzarella. And then we got some sauce. This one is roasted garlic and onion, but you can pick whichever sauce is your favorite. And then some eggs.
Woo. Listen, guys, we haven't even started yet. I already know this is going to taste good, and we're going to get cooking, all right? Let's go. All right, so first we are going to trim the zucchini. All right, you can use a mandolin to cut the zucchini into 1/8 inch slices. All right, so that's what we got. We got the Starfrit brand, so you can use that. Use whatever brand. Then you're gonna basically take the zucchinis and sprinkle them on a towel. You're gonna put them on like a paper towel when they're cut up in those slices. All right. And make sure you sprinkle salt on the zucchinis after you do all that. You're gonna see in the next clip. We wanna make sure they're salty, all right? Because if they're not, you're not gonna get the flavor you're looking for, all right? So pour some pink sea salt, some Himalayan sea salt. You're gonna get you some good minerals, all right? Some good flavor, all right? You're gonna taste nice with the sea salt. Make sure you put that on there. Sprinkle it on all of the slices. Then you're gonna cook up your ground beef. All right, you can use ground beef, ground chicken, however you like your lasagna. We got the ground beef cooking up. Then you're gonna slice some onions. You're gonna slice and dice some onions. Get a tissue on deck if you need to cry or something. Wipe your tears. Okay, so then we're gonna pour pepper onto the ground beef. Some pink sea salt. All right, and then we're gonna pour on some garlic powder. Bam. You're going to add some flavor to this joint. And then you stir it all up. All right, you don't want it just in one part of the beef, man. You want to stir it up. You want to mix it in, have it spread evenly. All right? Then you're going to throw your onions on. You're going to toss the onions in the pan. All right? Mix that all up. Make it nice. And boom, now we got the egg. All right, we got the eggs. You're going to crack an egg in a bowl. Just one egg. And then you're going to pour on the cheese, Italian seasoning. All right. Boom. Add in all the seasoning. And then we're going to mix it up first. All right, you're going to mix the egg, the cheese, the salt and pepper, the Italian seasoning, all of that together. All right, now you're going to pour the tomato sauce on the ground beef. All right, you can go now stir that up. Once it's all poured in, you gonna stir it. We gonna stir it. We gonna stir it. Yeah, we gonna stir it. We out here moving like Chef Ramsay. Like Chef Ramsay out here, man. Let's go. Mixing it up, mixing it up, mixing it up. All right, mix it real nice. Then you're going to take the zucchinis, make sure you pat dry them. All right, you're going to pat them down like that. And then next, what we're going to be doing is buttering up the tray, the dish, all right? So you're going to butter that up. You don't want it to stick. Even if it says non-stick, butter it up, man, because they lying. Then we're going to take the ground beef, and you're going to put it into the tray, all right, in the buttered bottom tray. Fill it to the brim. All right. Almost there. Almost there. All right, boom. So it's filled. Now we're going to take the mix with the cheese, the Parmesan, the Italian seasoning and all that, and you're gonna throw it on top. All right, or it's actually the middle because we're layering it, but you're putting it on top of the beef currently. All right, but it's actually gonna be a middle layer. Then you're gonna take the zucchinis and put them on top. All right, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna spoil it, but like this is the dopest replacement for the regular like pasta. Honestly, it's phenomenal. So you put that all on top, like so. And what's next? More beef. See what I said? I said it was a middle layer. All right, now we're gonna add a next layer. Whew, it's a lot of meat, man. It's a lot of meat. So bam. Now you're gonna add the sauce and put it in the oven. It's oven time. Make sure the oven's on 375. All right, you're gonna bake this for 30 minutes. All right, bake it for 30 minutes, and then once it comes out, you can actually add more cheese. All right, and this will make it taste even better. So you can take it out, add more cheese, put it back in after you add the cheese for about 20 minutes. Take it out of the oven, and there you have it. All right, guys, so we're done our food. We're done the lasagna, so we're gonna give it a taste test because you know we love you guys. We don't want you making nothing that tastes like trash. All right, we're gonna make sure it tastes nice for y'all. We're not. Let's see.
It looks good.
It looks great.
It looks like lasagna.
This is like regular lasagna.
Yeah, it does. I like the zucchini noodles.
Guys, this is freaking amazing. If you're a lasagna lover and you're trying to drop weight, this is it, guys. You 100% should try this. All right, guys. The recipe is going to be in the description. If you love it, let us know. By the way, I did recently launch my keto lifestyle weight loss program. So click that link. I'm actually giving it out for real cheap, it's real affordable. All right, it has everything that'll help you lose weight, from recipes, meal plans, workouts, understanding, right? Because if you don't understand why you're even following this lifestyle, you're not gonna stick with it. All right, so click that link, get started on a program today so you can reach your goals. All right. Now, if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. All right, peace.